All right, let's be real. Your focus is probably worse than a goldfish's attention span. You sit down to work and suddenly you're checking emails, scrolling Instagram, watching a random video about how to survive a bear attack. Why? But hey, it's not your fault. Your brain is wired for distractions. The world is literally designed to steal your attention. But CEOs? They don't have time for that. They focus like machines. And I'm about to show you how to do the same in just 5 minutes a day. Here's the problem. You think focus is about willpower. It's not. It's about strategy. Your brain is like a puppy. It doesn't listen unless you train it. So let's train it. Step 1. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'm just going to focus for 5 minutes. That's it. Not an hour, not a day, just 5 minutes. Your brain doesn't freak out when the goal is tiny. Step 2. Eliminate the ambush. Your phone? Put it out of sight. Notifications? Switch them off. Close those 52 tabs on your browser, and if your workspace looks like a war zone, clean it. Chaos kills focus. Step 3. Anchor your attention. Pick one task. Not 5, not 3. 1. Set a timer. When it starts, you commit to finishing it. When you're done with it, you decide. Stop or keep going. Spoiler alert, you'll probably keep going. And that's it. 5 minutes a day, just try it. And if it works, comment the word focused below. If you get distracted, comment what stole your attention. I won't judge. And if you want more no BS productivity hacks, you know what to do.